everybody, it's Christine. It is time for a counterfeit kit challenge mini kit video. And I haven't a clue what I'm going to make yet exactly, other than let me show you the original kit. So the original, this is hosted this month by Miss Tara, and she picked Cocoa Daisy Inklings. So it's this is the color, this is the papers. I'm going to just kind of scroll through here. It's like this like watercolor, you know, like some paintbrushy things. It's pens, there's some script, there's lots of pretty like rainbowy type colors, but the point is it's like, so you can say there's like, I guess it's inklings, so thinking there's like ink splattered and stuff like that. And then we have, we'll go back. And then from like an embellishment standpoint, this is an interesting, I need to get on here. I was telling her, I said, I'm kind of interested in this subscription. It's like a journaling planner, you know, that kind of stuff. And I thought, you know, I do actually do planning too. So this might be an interesting one. I think they have a scrapbooking one because obviously they sell it. So I don't know. I have to dig into this a little bit. But here's the other like embellishment thing I found, which is these little chipboard pieces. A bunch of little wordy bits, some circle things. And then I was kind of just poking around. What was the other thing I saw? There's like arrows here. And then there's like little sticky notes and stuff. There's like little artsy cup things, stuff like that. But again, the whole focus is like, let's call it watercolor. So let me show you what I got. Oh, just from the paper standpoint, I went ahead and pulled in a black piece of cardstock. I don't always pull my cardstock in, but I did notice there was a lot of like little, you know, black touches in the chipboards and stuff like that. So I thought that might be a really good foil for all the colors. I do have a couple of pages that are, they look like sprinkled ink kind of. So I have this piece here, which to me looked kind of like the, oh shoot, where's it at? The, they're kind of actually shown horizontal, if you want to kind of think of it like this. And then I also had this piece where they had that splash at the top. So mine's got it both sides, but I think it's okay. We'll make it work. So I got like these ink things kind of top and bottom. And then that's actually from a Color Rush Studio collection sometime back. No, sorry, it's from her pad. It's like a black and white. There's actually black and white on the other side. She actually has an arrow sheet. I don't know if I'll peel that out. I'm trying to be mini kit here, right? And then I had this piece, which has paint brushes on it. And this is from Scrapbooking Coach at Home. I got about 6 months of that subscription, and then we were moving and stuff, and I canceled it, and I just honestly never went back to it. But she had really good quality stuff. But this is, got the paint brushes, so I thought, okay, maybe we can make this work. Now, the interesting thing about this little lady is she has these little strips at the bottom. They're not technically branding strip size, because if you try to do this, you'll make it less than 12 by 12. But you could get these little, I mean, I frame mine a lot of times anyway, so I thought, okay, that's kind of neat. And then I did pull out just a piece of Stampin' Up! An old designer paper, because I thought this might work as like a tone on tone, because it works okay with this. So I don't know yet what I'm going to do from that perspective, y'all. I have to find my layout. I don't know how many layouts I'm going to get out of this, because I didn't pull that much paper. And I say that, and I can usually make it stretch. Then from an embellishment standpoint, I did pull out this stencil because on one of the papers, there's like scripty stuff, and I thought I could maybe make this work. I may use black ink because it's showing like black. So I kind of got this kind of, I don't know if you can tell, like a scripty thing. I won't be using that for this particular set, but, and then there was also one of the embellishments I did see, she had like, it was like a glitter enamel dots or whatever, and I had this one. It's from Chamel Head in the Clouds. I got it, but I think it was at Tuesday morning way back when. But I had this, and it kind of goes with the colors, right? So there's that. And then I found this in my stash. It's Pretty Little Studios Indian Summer Collection, and it's got like watercolors and like a little black and white accent. So I thought that would be perfect. And then I went through my little color binder, and I found a few more pieces. Technically this doesn't have like your yellows and stuff, but I think I can introduce it. And there was actually a little pop of yellow in the chipboard, so I kind of like that. And these look watercolory. That was kind of the point. And then this says make pretty things, which is crafty type stuff. So that's what I've got to kind of work with on my mini kit here. So let me do a little thinking. I got to find a photo. I don't really know what I'm going to do yet. So let me do a little bit of thinking. I'll probably get maybe 2 layouts at least. I typically get 3, so we'll see what we do here. But yeah, let me get to thinking, and I'll be back on in a second. Okay, so this is, I think, the first photo I'm going to do with the counterfeit kit here, because it's got this black, this is my dad and my bonus mom. This was just a random day. And she has on this black and white top, and then he's kind of got His white is actually turned a little blue because of the lighting, but it's got the black and the white basically. And then there's this blue and the blue sky. And then there's also kind of this neutral, but I just thought this would be a really cute photo to use with this. And then I could bring in like black accents because they also have like black glasses on and stuff. I think what I'm going to do is use these two. I pulled these and set them aside for the moment because I think I'm going to end up fussy cutting this. We'll see what I'm going to do here, but I'm going to set these aside for the moment. And then the back side of this has this black and white. So I think what I'm going to do is gut this. I'm going to try to do this live. You guys, I did a video the other day. It was my stick with me. And I feel so bad. One of my subbies said, at least I assume she's a subby. I don't know if she's subbing or not, but she was watching it. And she was really sweet. She's funny / sweet. She says, man, I was thinking just get to picking the papers already, right? Because she's like, but then I realized I do the same thing. And y'all, I don't take offense. It's totally fine. It's funny. And then I went back and I was rewatching the video, kind of see what I had done. And I realized, holy cow, half the darn video was me carrying on about the papers. That is not the fun part. And I felt so bad. I was like, out of a 15-minute video, I spent like 8.5 minutes picking papers. That is not good YouTubing. That's just not. So my sincere apologies and thank you to the sweet lady who said, hey, I was kind of laughing because I was like, you know, get to the part where you pick the papers. And I'm like, yeah, I should have actually. Okay, so here's my thinking. Oh, you guys, I just screwed up. Well, with all that jibber jabber, and I sure did, because my intention was to take the black and white and create some kind of horizontal. Okay, what if I do this? Okay, I've given myself 2 inches. So if I take 1 inch off, I think I'm okay. You guys, I cannot believe I did that. I just jibber jabber, and I do stuff like that. And now I'm going to take off 1 inch of these. Well, I'm going to take a 1/2 inch off each side. That's what I'm going to do. Cannot believe I did that. That was just, that's what I get. All right, let's set those aside. We're going to hang on to that for just a second. Now I've done that. Oh, I want to go up and down. So I did that, and now I have my, oh, here it is. I was like, what did I do with it? Here it is. So if I do this, I think I'm gonna make it a little banner or something. That's kind of cute. All right, so, and also, should I mount this on black and white maybe? I feel like I need to. I feel like I need to, you guys. I'll just use the back of the packaging. I think I've told you guys I'm a fan of that so far. I am a fan of that. So let's go ahead and just do that. Y'all, it is starting to get hot. I had somebody, I jokingly made the comment, I had put on Facebook that we had a productive weekend last Saturday because we got out and like mowed and stuff. And somebody goes, holy cow, you're already mowing. Yes, we are. Actually, we've mowed a couple times. It is 80 degrees here in South Texas. Yeah, our winter is very, very short. Very, very short. It's not like we didn't get cold, because we did, but because we actually even had like a freeze. And in fact, it broke a friggin' pipe. Not pipe like the whole big house pipe, but we had like a faucet outside, and my husband had wrapped it. They had wrapped it, but the valve or something, I guess, is prone to breaking because the guy that came to fix it, my husband's like, I think I can fix it. I said, no, we're not doing plumbing anymore here. Like this whole house is booby-trapped with plumbing. So, had a plumber come, and the guy said there was actually the second or third one that day he had done, and it just the little valve, the little turn valve or whatever, just happens to be one that I guess cracks during freezes. So the good news is we had all of our chickens and goats and everything did really well, no issues. We brought one little girl chicken inside because she's still by herself, and yeah, she got to come inside. Okay, that looks kind of cute. And I'm thinking to myself, something like this. I don't know the title. I was thinking of like, what a lovely day. I could make it do this. So let me get the, I have to say I like this kit that Miss Tara picked as the inspiration kit. And I was looking at their website because I thought I had read, and now I'm not really sure. I might have mixed up a couple of companies if I'm honest. I thought I had read that Coco Daisy was not doing scrapbook kits anymore, but I guess they are. And she said she signed up for their subscription. I'm thinking, On the other hand, I keep telling myself, Christine, you're going to probably be, not probably, we're supposed to be moving later this year. I've mentioned on some videos, I don't know how many or which ones, that we're building a barn. We're going to be building a barn dough. And I might try to do a little vlog style thing for that. Would you guys watch that? I know this is a scrapbooking channel, but if I did like a little vlog of our building, would y'all watch that? I mean, because there's a lot of stuff that goes on, and it's kind of interesting to me. I feel like we're not one-dimensional, you know what I mean? Like, you guys, when you're on YouTube, I feel like, do you watch other things too? Like, I watch a lot of interior design stuff. I watch planning stuff. I watch financial stuff. I mean, are you guys not one-dimensional also? And if you choose to be one-dimensional, it's not no judgment. I'm just curious because I just feel like we're not. Okay, what if I feel like I need to, I may end up putting this on foam, but we'll just start with this because this is kind of glossy, so I know I can come back. And I feel like I need to try this out here. This is really cute though. What a lovely day. I need to check on my bonus mom. As you can imagine, she was heartbroken when my dad transitioned from this earthly realm to the heavenly realm. I mean, she's a believer as well, so she knows he's in heaven, but doesn't mean you don't miss them. So I need to check on her, actually, see how she's doing. Actually, I saw her post on Facebook. She was selling something at Canton, so maybe she's having a fine time with that. She loves to shop, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. She's a funny lady. She loves to shop. Okay, what if we bring in So Beautiful here? Because it kind of matches that. It's a little hard to see though, isn't it? All right, let's see. I have these things. I don't know what this was really just a random day, so it's not even really like, it was just kind of a fun day for them, I think. So what if I brought in my little bird and this cute little set of flowers here. I feel like the bird has to, that's kind of cute. No, I think I'll hang on to that for just a minute. I may add some of this. What if I add a little black and white star? This has got a little center to it that I don't really want. Well, it looks really strange now. Do that. And my little star up here. I don't know. And then I could add like this pink star here, like stars. I'm gonna bring in my green because I got some green on my bird and some yellow. Well, I think I'm gonna have to do like I did the last month and split my videos though, because I tend to jibber jabber. You guys, that's not gluing down. I'm gonna have to glue that. And then we'll add our little pink star here. How's that? That's cute. I feel like I need one more thing up here. I just don't know what. Maybe I'll add a little flower behind the bird, because I kind of want that black and white. That's not bad. I'm going to put him up on foam, I think. just to make him interesting. All right. That's a very simple layout, you guys. That is very simple. Quick, quick, quick. I'm gonna add my foam behind my bird. I'm just kind of doing this so I got a little texture on the edges of my layout here. I add a little glue here. I don't know, I may have to use a little bit extras of this stuff on the next layout because I didn't use a lot. There's these little things here, but I've got this whole like thing going on. So I feel like I don't want to add that. I may do it on the next one. I'm gonna hang on to these because those are neat. And we'll see if I need to use those. And I also didn't do this, but I may do that on the next one as well. Okay, let me glue this down. That didn't take too long. What do you guys think? Did I show you enough in a short time? You know, some days I do have to move fast just because we got stuff going on. Well, actually, that's more because I'm behind. Actually, it's only the 2nd, so I'm actually 4 days ahead. I like to be farther. I've told you guys before, I like to be about 2 weeks ahead, and that's just not a thing right now. So, that's cute, though. I actually don't hate this. I might actually bring foam back behind those, the tops of those flowers. Because I think I like to have dimension on my flowers. That's cute. Yeah, let's bring a little bit of stuff here. I don't know where I got this little set of stuff. It came from some collection years ago because it's been in my color binder. I went through and did organize some of my papers just a little bit ago. I was trying to pull out my scrap or my pattern papers to select from, and I'm like, what have I got going on here? This is ridiculous. Okay, you guys, that's simple, right? That's cute. What do you think? Was I even on camera? Oh my gosh, I hope I was. I don't know. I should have put my mat out and I didn't. So here we go. There's our quick little, that's it. There we go. You can see my little floral there, all the goodies. I'm sorry, I'm jibber jabbering. This is cute though, right? I like the little bird. I finally used that up. All right, thank you guys so much. I will have probably a second video because this was 12 minutes and it starts getting too long if I try to put them all together. So watch for video 2.